Hello, if you are wondering if you can screencast your Motorola Moto G04 and G04s, then the answer is actually yes, it is possible through the Google Home application. So we're gonna try to set up quickly, as an example, the Google Home. And if you don't have the app, the Google Home, then you can of course use the Play Store in order to download the app from Google. Now we're gonna tap it. If you didn't set up yet, then this is how it looks like. We're gonna get started. So let's tap this button. We can allow notifications. I'm gonna choose yes in this example, and I'm gonna allow. And then over here we need to choose our account. So of course I'm gonna choose my current account. And now we can start configuring our home setup. So now what we need to do is simply follow the instructions that we have on the screen. In my case, I have to create home, so let's do that. Let's tap the button. Then we're gonna need to name our home, so I'm just gonna name it home. Simple as that. Let's go next. And then we need to proceed with the home address. So try to fill those in. Then you might be asked to allow nearby devices so that they can be detected by the smartphone. So we're gonna tap next button. And of course we need to also grant access to the location. So let's do that as well. Let's tap next. And then we can choose while using the app. We also have location services. So this one seems to be optional. Although it says that we need to turn them on to complete the setup. So we can tap on settings and then we can use location. Let's go back to see if that's enough. There we go. Then you might need to choose what you are trying to set up. But in my case, I'm just gonna choose not now. Then we might see the welcome message. So let's go next. Then we can just tap not now, and there we go. Now, if you go to devices, of course, if there is any device that can be connected to, you should see it over here in this area. In my case, I cannot really find any device. At the same time, you can also tap add device in order to try to find one. Now you have three options. It can be Matter enabled device, it can be Google Nest or partner device, or a device that works with Google Home. So we can tap this one as an example and try to connect one. Now of course there is a huge list of such home control apps, so you can try to find the one that suits you. If your smartphone manages to detect a local device such as Android TV, like I said, you should be able to find it over here, and if you tap on it, you should have the option to, for instance, change the volume of the TV or even cast the screen. So that's pretty much it. Another thing that you can try to use is the cast in the network settings. So we can go to the settings, then go to connected devices, and then we can choose connection preferences. Over here we have cast. And then over here you should be able to find nearby devices if some are found. You can also tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner in order to enable wireless display, and it should detect something if it can be connected, right? So in this case I can tap on this one and try to connect, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.